Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe after you finish watching, and follow me on Twitter, Kicks by Chris. But let's just get straight into the video. Today we are going over how to spoof your location. Now this software does work on the Mac and it does work on Windows. I have Windows, I don't use Mac, so this comes in clutch for me. So if you want to like spoof your location for Adidas drops on a confirmed app, or for sneakers drops on the app, or whatever you want to do just to spoof your location, this is how you do it. All right, so you go here, you go to products, and you want to download iTools. If you just YouTube how to get iTools for free, or how to crack iTools on YouTube, you will find it. Download the free version, whatever, and just do what they tell you to do. I think I'll leave a link of the video to crack it in the description. But me, I just ordered it. It's only $34 for 5 PCs and $30 for one. So you can really like get like 4 or 5 friends, or like split it up like $7 each and just buy it for 5 PCs. And just pretty simple instead of cracking it. Like you never know if it's any virus in a crack or whatever. So I just bought it for $30 for one PC. It's pretty simple. And you download that, and then you'll get a app like this, right? It's iTunes, which is right here, and you'll see this. So I'm going to plug my device up to my computer, and I'm going to show you step by step of what you have to do. This is after you already cracked it from the video in the description, or after you already bought it. You do this step to actually spoof your actual location. So I connected my stuff up. I don't want to do that right now. This is my screensaver. I'm gonna block all this other stuff out so y'all won't see it. And whatever to that. And you go here to toolbox, right? After you go to toolbox, you would hit virtual location, and you hit OK. I need to unlock my phone. Try again. I already got it. So let's say it is still set for the Toyota Center because we thought that they was gonna release during the Rockets game, but they didn't. But what you gotta do, you gotta literally just enter GPS coordinates or an address. So let's say I want to go to somewhere far away. I'm in New York right now, so let's say I want to go. I don't know. Let's say Staples Center. Staples Center. I would go and I would get the address, which is right here. I'd copy the address, go back to here, and I would Control V. I guess this is it. And I'll go. After that, you just press move here, and then you open your phone, go to your maps on your phone, and your phone should say you're at the Staples Center. So you would do this every single time you want to spoof your location on your phone, for any drops for sneakers or anything else you want to do to spoof your locations, whatever you want to do. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy to do. You would think it's harder, but it's really not. Basically, just downloading this app, buying it or cracking it, and just plugging your phone up, and it's that easy. And after that, you just unlock your phone, and your phone will actually think it's in that location. So you just open up the just confirm that, reserve your reserve, or reserve your thing on sneakers, whatever you want to do. It's pretty that easy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe as always. Follow me on Twitter, Kicks by Chris, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.